YouTube. It's AnnaMar'eeTV and we're back with another video. Period. Okay, so y'all, today I'm gonna show you finally all the work I've been going through with my room. And yeah, we're just gonna get into it. So first things first, this is what my room used to look like. And yeah, it was terrible. Okay, I take that back. It wasn't terrible, but I just, I've outgrown it, and I'm not a baby anymore, so I don't need like a little baby room. And I had like butterflies and stuff everywhere, so it was just time to upgrade my room a little bit and do something new. So that's basically what I did, just something that I could, transition out the house with. And on top of that, we would still maybe selling our home. I think I had mentioned that before, but we're still going to try to sell our house. So I was like, there's no point in us just sitting here during this corona stuff upset with like where we are and whatnot. So I was like, I'm going to still try to redecorate it. I was able to do everything under $400, and I feel like that was a good budget for a small room like I have, and especially for the area we live in, which is really, really expensive. So it was just good that I was able to stay under budget. I'm gonna leave a link to everything that I got new for my room, and then in another video, well, in the video we're about to get to, you'll see like everything that I talked about and how I did stuff. I didn't really take too much footage of us actually working, just because there was also other construction going on, so you couldn't barely hear anything, and it wasn't that interesting. But I will show you all the clips that I have, and let's get into it. Okay, what's up, y'all? So first things first, in my room is my vanity. So, well, my dresser rather. So I had, this was originally brown, and it looked really, really old and disgusting because I got it at like a thrift store when I was like 12 or something like that. It was like my first big furniture purchase. So, it was just a lot older, and I just didn't want to go over my budget for my room. So I went ahead and I was like, okay, well, let's see what we can do to this vanity to make it more up to date. So we went ahead and we got furniture paint, or like wood paint, in the color Diamond White. And I added the Hemway sparkle to it. You can kind of see it, but you really can't. Then I went ahead and I got these knobs from Amazon. I'll put the link to the knobs in the description. And I got 2 sets of 12 for like $8.99, I think. And they're screw-in, but you can also use E6000 glue and just glue them into where you want like the knobs to go, which is perfect as well. So then I needed I guess a top. I don't really know what these are called, but what we did was we went to Lowe's and we got glass. So this is actually just a sheet of glass that we had cut to fit like how I wanted it to fit on my dresser. And I got sparkly tape and just put it on the edges so that I don't cut myself, because y'all, be careful. When I first got the glass, sliced my finger up real bad. It was terrible. The mirror is not fully completed yet, just because the paint didn't dry. Like, if you can see, the wood paint didn't dry how we wanted it to, but it works for now. I just need to find a different wood stain that is in this silver, because see, like, it didn't take all the way on certain places. But this was a really, really good idea for like an older mirror, just to like make it, and it's like metallic feeling, like it feels like metal now. This lamp, it's just a lamp I got from Ross when they were open. Has a little light, and this is my eucalyptus plant. I've had these these pictures for a while now, the Marilyn Monroe and the Audrey Hepburn. I just thought they would be cute, like a cute little offset with the white and silver to put like black and white in. This is my favorite plant. His name is Henry. He's a snake plant. Yeah, I really love butterflies. I haven't figured out what to do with these yet, so we'll see. We'll figure it out. But onto my laundry basket. We painted it. It was also brown. We just painted it with the same paint that we used on the mirror. I was able to get this like set for that matched my bed and my vanity, which we'll get into next, for I want to say it was like $25. It's like a nightstand, but I went ahead and put it over here where my TV is mounted. And, you know, I just have my diffuser, another cactus, my radio, my Wi-Fi. And then this chair was brown, so I went ahead and put like white and silver pillows on it just to make it kind of match the room. Also, I got these like silk, or I guess satin covers. It's just fabric I got from Walmart. Cut it, put it on here, just draped it so that it would cover the brown. I did the same over there just because it had a stain on that one. So, okay, so y'all, the floors. So, here's the thing. When I went on Lowe's website, they told me that I only needed 12 boxes of these floors. But it turns out that the measurements I had taken for my room were apparently much bigger, well, much smaller rather than what I put in on Lowe's. So I got the last 12 boxes they had, and the company discontinued this marble. So I was like, what was I supposed to do? So my mom and I went back to Home Depot and we got this marble, which is again another peel and stick, but this is how it comes. Just like this, and it has the adhesive on the back. But yeah, basically you just stick it in here and then you cut around where you need to have it, you need to cut it. But this is more like a bathroom tile. This is more of a room tile. So I went ahead and I went to Home Depot and I cut a piece of wood and then just painted it white for like a door, like a divider between the marbles. This rug here, I was able to, it's really not a rug. It's really supposed to be like a cover or like a sham is what they call them. But I'm using it as a rug. I got this for like $6. Amazon, you know, normal. This is my closet and my wig stand. She's a little bald-headed, so we don't move her. But yeah, these curtains, they're 84 inches. I got them from Amazon as well. I took my closet doors down because I put my 2 dressers inside of my closet. My closet's a mess, so you all can't see that right now. But I will do a closet tour. If you know you want to see it, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, I went ahead and took my closet doors down and put up curtains instead. It's much easier to get in and out of my closet too. So definitely a great idea if you have a small room or a small closet. So onto my vanity. Okay, so this is the whole vanity, and basically it came in like it came in 3 different parts. So we have, this is a dresser, this is a dresser, and then the mirror comes separate. And my mom said that, well, it was originally $699. Y'all, we got it for $65. So I'm gonna leave the link to where I went and all that I went through to get it. But basically it's this store that does like discount furniture. So whenever someone returns something or it has like a minor break, so like this part, the glass was not here originally. It must have fell off or they just didn't give it to us. So we went ahead and we bolted these in to each of the dressers and then bought a new glass to put in between, which worked perfectly, as you can see. You know, I keep all my skin products, my makeup, my hair products, everything. And it came with this cute little bench that it does open up. How do I open the bench? It does open up. But yeah, it's really, really cute. The lights, I bought those from Amazon and just stuck them up there. They come with a remote. They're actually about to die, so need to, yeah, see, they're about to die. I need to charge the batteries on those, but yeah, they're just rechargeable. They work perfectly fine. I also had my lamp, used to be pink, y'all. So I went ahead and just painted the lamp silver like everything else. My facial scrubber. I keep some of my favorite perfumes. Y'all, this is like the best perfume. If you can, go ahead and get that Tom Ford or that Marc Jacobs. No, Marc Jacobs or Michael Kors. Marc Jacobs Daisy. I love that one. It's really great. My little wooden clock. I love my clock. Apple Watch charger. What else? Oh, okay. So under the bed. So my bed used to sit really low. So we went ahead and got these, what are these called? Bed risers. I got those, painted them silver. They came black originally. I have gray shoe racks underneath my bed, so like they just pull out. And yeah, you know, I have a whole bunch of shoes. I have like over like 200 pairs of shoes, but they were all under, and they were all able to fit under my bed. So my chandelier, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I actually made this out of a cake rack hook and just like glitter and stuff. There is one on Amazon that you can buy that looks exactly like this. This is actually like what I found to figure out how to make it, because they sell the parts separately or they sell it just all together. I went ahead and bought a wall mount because I don't have electricity up there, so I just bought a wall mount, got an electric bulb, or like a battery bulb, and then just hung it in here. I will do a video if it is requested on how I actually made this. So yeah, just let me know. But yeah, it's super cute. It works with the same remote that I just showed with the vanity. Also, y'all, I painted the walls, as you can see from, if you compare like the picture to the before picture to what it looks like now, you can see I painted the walls. They are in the color diamond white, and I put the Hemway glitter in them as well, so they do kind of shine when all the light is on or when it's early in the morning. I got this curtain from Amazon, and I made my curtain hooks. So I just bought the little pretty what's this called? What's it called? Like the knob. I bought the pretty knob, and then I already had a regular rod, so then I just hooked the knobs to another rod, and then I just got a curtain mount, which was much cheaper than buying the actual curtain rod with those knobs. It was really like $80 at Home Depot when the knob itself was like $13. So yeah. So my bed is from I think my bed is from Bob's as well. I could be wrong, but I'll let you all know in the description box. I got the furry pillow from Ross, and then all my other pillows are from Walmart. The pillowcases are from Amazon, except for, well, yeah, the last two are as well, because they came with the duvet cover that I got. I like duvet covers more than comforters because you can just wash your duvet and not have to get your comforter dry cleaned. I know I get my comforters dry cleaned and it's expensive. And it costs, well, I said it costs a lot, but it takes a lot of time because then you gotta wait and stuff and whatnot. But yeah, this is basically like my whole room. I do have these cute like wall art that this girl made me. That's her name, so make sure you all follow her. She made this one as well. I'm a Taurus, period, best sign ever. But yeah, this is the room, and hope you all like it. If you have any questions, of course, you know, ask in the comments.